sol ainda nascia tímido no horizonte quando o zumbido suave do DJI Avatar 2 cortou o silêncio da área rural. Entre pastos molhados de orvalho e cercas de madeira desgastadas pelo tempo, o drone ganhou vida, pairando no ar como um pássaro curioso, prestes a explorar um território vasto e intocado. Com um leve impulso no controle, o voo começa. O Avatar 2 desliza rente ao chão, acompanhando uma estrada de terra que serpenteia entre colinas verdes. A sensação é de liberdade absoluta, como se os olhos do piloto estivessem literalmente voando. A câmera capta cada detalhe, as marcas de pneus na estrada, o movimento lento das folhas ao vento e até o levantar de poeira causado pela passagem invisível do drone. À medida que ganha velocidade, o drone mergulha suavemente entre árvores isoladas, desviando com precisão milimétrica dos galhos mais baixos. O som distante de pássaros se mistura ao ruído controlado das hélices, criando uma trilha sonora natural para esse espetáculo aéreo. Seguindo adiante, o drone acompanha o curso de um pequeno riacho que corta a propriedade. A água reflete o céu agora mais claro, criando um contraste perfeito com o verde ao redor. O Avatar 2 desliza sobre a superfície, quase tocando a água, antes de subir rapidamente e revelar uma vista panorâmica de tirar o fôlego. O voo termina com uma subida suave em direção ao céu aberto. Lá de cima, a imensidão da área rural se revela por completo. Campos, árvores, caminhos e vida pulsando em harmonia. O drone paira por alguns segundos, como se contemplasse a paisagem, antes de encerrar a jornada. Mais do que um simples voo, essa experiência com o FPV e o Avatar 2 transforma o olhar humano em algo além. Uma mistura de liberdade, precisão e conexão com o ambiente. É como voar sem asas, explorando cada detalhe de um mundo que, visto de cima, se torna ainda mais extraordinário. Espero que tenham gostado deste tipo de conteúdo. Considerem deixar aquele like caso tenham gostado do vídeo. Também se inscrevam e comentem. Tento responder a todos. Deixarei todos vocês com uma boa música e um belo voo. Até o próximo vídeo, pessoal.
What do you think of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, knocking on your door. 1, 2, 3, 4, who's that knocking on your door? It's a cat with a big smile, he's been there for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, knocking on your door. They are your friends, they wanna dance and sing. Open up the door and let them in. They are your friends, they wanna dance and sing. Open up the door and let them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, who's that knocking on your door? That's Joe, the alligator. Hey Joe, catch you later. 1, 2, 3, 4, knocking on your door. 1, 2, 3, 4, who's that knocking on your door? It's a dog singing a song. Hey, let's sing along. 1, 2, 3, 4, knocking on your door. They are your friends, they wanna dance and sing. Open up the door and let them in. They are your friends, they wanna dance and sing. Open up the door and let them in. Open up the door and let them in. Open up the door and let them in.
We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. All those years pass, now I know you. How the times can change and I get a little down. thinking about tomorrow. I get down. Was it over from the get-go? Should we call it quits and let go? I have cried many times over you. Sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. Maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down I get to thinking I don't even know why I tried. Is it just me? Do you feel the same? Were you up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way? Or should we stay? Try to make things right, cause I get a little down. Thinking about tomorrow, I get down. Should we call it quits and let go? I have cried many times over you. Sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. And maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down I get to thinking I don't even know why I tried. Yeah, I don't know why I tried. Yeah, I don't even know why I don't know why I tried. We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. I have cried many times over you. Sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. And maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down I get to thinking I don't even know why I tried. Yeah, I don't know why I tried. I don't know why I tried. Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. Think I was broken, I needed some time to clear my head. Cause I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way back to you. I see a river floating its way out to the sea. I can remember carving our names onto that tree. And I just wanna see you, 'cause you will never know just how much I've been missing home. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I'll find my way back to you. I think that I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I think that I'm finding my way. thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. But I've been sinking like a stone